Everyone, today I'm showing you how to use API 24/7. When you install this application first time, you will see this screen about the scammers, and in the next screen you will see the information about this application and its use, and the last one you need to agree about the privacy policy and its term. After that, you need to log in from your defined email, or you may also use Google sign in or Facebook sign in. If you don't have any account, you just create a new account by sign up here. I already have an account, so I am going to log in from that account. After login, you will see the self-defined tutorial here informing about each option here. You just need to press next and see the information defined on each section. This is the main option of this application where you can start this service so that your other phone can send this message from your phone. Here you can see the information about the sent and pending messages. Here you can check the history of already sent messages, contact list, group list. If you want to create a new message, you just need to click here. Here we also show the information about the each section. You can type the mobile number here starting from plus or 0. Here you can press this option if you want to add one or more contacts for sending this option. Here you can select the contacts from the contact book. This is the major option of this mobile application, which is the mobile node. If you want to send message from the current phone, you may change it to the current phone, or if you want to send this message from your remote device, you just need to select that device from this option. Here you can type the message and just send this message. So I'm going to write some message, phone number here, and need to press plus. So here is the mobile node. This phone represents that the current phone. Other all devices is showing when you log in with the same credentials on the next phone. So I'm using this phone, so I just need to write some message, and on sending SMS, this application asks for sending SMS permission. So if user allow this option, then this message will be work as normal behavior, but if user want to deny this permission, then the default handler will be work for these messages. If user want to start his service, then we again ask for permission. If user deny this permission, then we just represent that we cannot move to this service without that permission. If a user want to know about the sended messages, he just click the mobile nodes and then just click on the mobile which he want to know about the sended messages. So here is the filters of each, like sended, error and pending messages, and here is the devices. So here user can select which device you want to show about the messages. If user want to sync his contact, we just ask for permission. If he allowed that permission, then we can sync the contact of the local mobile in our system. But if he want to deny this service, then we do nothing. User can also create the contact from the contact list. Here is the setting option. If user want to change the device name, which will show on the next other devices where he log in with the same credentials, then this device name will be show on the next phone. If he want to change the device name, he can change and also change the phone number if he want.